Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, May 8, 2024. Let's take a look at Ether to Bitcoin at Zondacrypto. This is a daily time frame chart from which, as you can see, we are using the Japanese candlesticks. So what do we have here on this chart? Basically, we can see that the Ether to Bitcoin is going lower. Right now, we are approaching this level here. Let me just show you guys this level here, 0.046, which is of course the technical support, which is why I will mark it green. But sooner or later we will approach this level here as well, 0.04601. So basically a little bit lower than this one. Since we hit this level, we got very substantial rebound. Then we got the situation where technical resistance was established at 0.060, correction, double top. So this is the first top. All right, that's the first top, so everyone knows what I'm talking about. That's the second top. So there you go. And since then we are going lower, and in that situation there's nothing new, because if this double top technical pattern is valid, then we should hit the level of the 0.046 in no time. The recent let's say correction was in 3 waves anyway, so let me just show it to you guys. So from the bottom, that was wave A, some kind of a wave B, and wave C to the downside, sorry, to the upside, right? So we got ABC pattern already here, and as we know, a 3-wave pattern is always corrective, so the market resumed the previous trend, and the previous trend is down from this high to this low. Now in the lower time frames, if we take a look at the lower time frames, we can clearly see that we broke below the trend line. Let me use the info line, so that will be even better. There you go, we broke below this trend line. Let me make it black so everyone can see. There you go. This trend line, as you can see, was tested as well, and now we are going lower. So we have ABC correction to the upside, immediate trend line breakout. Now let's just find out where are the moving averages. Okay, so let me just apply the moving average cross, and you can see that the 9 and 26 periods moving average are above the price. And if we decide to change the periods to 100 and 200 periods, there you go, we are still trading below both of these moving averages. So there is so much bearish evidence, bearish indication from the technical point of view that we cannot ignore it anymore. We will have potentially a test of this technical support. If the market breaks below this technical support, lower levels will come very quickly. Last thing we want to take a look at is RSI indicator. So we can take a look at the momentum, and it's obvious that from the extremely oversold conditions, right, that they were tested for quite some time, we got a bounce towards the level of, let's say, 63 points on the RSI, and then a reversal to the downside, and then sharp reversal to the downside below the level of 50. Right now, RSI is showing us bearish pressure on the market. So ECB, the ETH to the Bitcoin supposed to be going even lower, right? So the bearish pressure is still evident. It's strong bearish pressure. Ether to Bitcoin should go lower to test the technical support, and then we will see what will happen there, what will be the market reaction on the test of the technical support. Any breakout below the 0.046 level is very bearish. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.